Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix a device is disabled code 22 error in Windows 10 or 11. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button. And comment down below on our videos about your problem and we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Step 1. Check for any hardware issues. Issues like check your PC's physical connections. Ensure that the device in question is securely connected to your computer. For example, if it's a graphic card, make sure it's properly seated in its slot. Or test with a different device. If you suspect a hardware problem, try replacing the device with a known working of the same drive. Or unplugging and replugging the same device. After a brief removal and installation, the newly connected devices to your PC might just resume functioning. Step 2. Restart your PC. For this, save your any ongoing work, click on Start button and select the power icon and simply choose Restart from there. Step 3. Run any hardware diagnostic. For this, display the Run dialog box using the Windows plus R keys, and in the Run box, type msdt.exe/id device diagnostics and press enter. After that, click on next to run the troubleshooter. Step 4. Update or roll back device drivers. For this, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. And in the Device Manager window, locate the device with a code 22 error. It will have a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. After that, right-click on problematic device and select properties from there. After that, go to the driver tab and click update driver from there. Follow the on-screen instructions to search for and install the latest driver updates. If Windows finds update, it will automatically install them. But if updating the driver doesn't resolve the issue, you can try rolling back the driver to a previous version. To do this, go to the driver tab again and click roll back driver if the option is available. This will restore the previous driver version. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic device. For this, press Windows plus X key and select Device Manager from the menu. Right-click on device with a code 22 error and just simply select uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer. Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the device drivers. If it doesn't, don't worry. You can manually install the drivers from the manufacturer's website or by using Windows Update. Once the drivers are installed, check if the error is resolved or not. Step 6. Perform a system restore. Type create a restore point in the Windows search box. After that, click on System Restore under the System Protection tab. It will prompt you to select a certain date and open the restoring window. But if you previously created a restore point, you should utilize it. Otherwise, the computer will display a recommended date for the restoration. Then, just simply click Finish to complete the process. The finishing time is a few minutes. When finished, your computer will automatically reboot. Step 7. Check for Windows updates. For this, press Windows plus I key to open the Windows setting. After that, click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left-hand menu. After that, just simply click on Check for Updates option and let Windows search for any available updates. After the updates are installed, restart your computer and check if the brightness control function keys are functioning correctly or not. Step 8. Try updating your BIOS. Updating your BIOS/UEFI to the latest revision is optional in most cases. But in some cases, the latest BIOS update contains necessary patches, firmware updates, and hotfixes for your hardware. So, update your BIOS by adhering to the suggested instructions suggested by your manufacturer. Step 9. Replace the device. If all else fails, you may need to replace the device with a new one to fix the "this device is disabled" code 22 error in Windows 10 or 11. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.